Hello friends, my name is Dhara Unadkar and today I am going to take the session of pronouns. By the end of this session, you will be able to understand the definition of pronoun and 6 different types of pronouns. They are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, indefinite pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Now, let's have a look at definition of pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in the place of noun. The other uses are it gives you reference of the previously used noun. Pronouns are also used for asking questions, to draw attention, and to show ownership. Now let's move forward. Pronoun can be divided into 3 classes: first person, second person, and third person. Now let's understand all 3 classes. First person refers to the person who is speaking. Second person refers to the person being spoken to. Third person refers to the person being spoken about. Now let's move ahead. Personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are divided into 2 categories. One is subject and another is object. Let's have a look at definition. A personal pronoun is a short word that we use as a simple substitute for the proper name of a person. Subject pronoun. Can we say that subject pronoun is the doer of the sentence? Yes. Its function is the doer of the sentence. The words which we use as subject pronoun are I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. Object pronoun. Object pronoun functions as the receiver of the sentence. In other words, it functions as the object of a verb or a preposition. The words which we use in object pronoun are me, us, you, him, her, it, them. You know, it is a pronoun which is used for animals and thing. To describe animal or thing as a pronoun, we use it. There are a few rules in English which we should remember. Let's learn one of the rules. A subject pronoun should be followed by a verb. He is the smartest person in the room. Here he is the subject and is used as a verb. She is the bravest girl in the class. Here she is the subject and verb is the bravest girl in the class. Let's have a look at another examples. Let's have a look at examples. Nitin, Juhi and Pratik went to see cricket match in the stadium. Now here we have to use pronoun. We can see it is about group of people, so it is plural. Another thing, the speaker is talking about someone else, so it is third person. We must use they in front of it. So we have to write like they went to see cricket match in the stadium. Grandfather is a great storyteller. Here, someone is talking about a single person, but he is telling it to someone about a third person. So we have to write, he is great storyteller. Third person, singular. The oak tree is the most or the oldest tree in my village. As we know, with animals and things, we should use it. Here the speaker is talking about a single tree, which is the oldest. We shall use it with it as a third person because speaker is telling someone that it is the oldest tree of the village. Nita and I. Here again, there is more than one person and speaker is talking about himself as well. So here we should use plural of we. We love to eat guavas all the time. First person, plural. The mango is known as the king of fruits. Here we know things come under the category of it. So we shall use it is known as the king of fruit. I hope this is clear. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are used to show ownership. We have given you the list of words which you can use with first, second and third person possessive pronouns. Let's have a look. Some possessive pronouns are used with nouns and some are used independently, that is without nouns. They are your, mine, our, his, hers and their. To understand it more clearly, let's have a look at examples in the next slide. Possessive pronoun. We are going to learn possessive adjective determiners pronoun, and the rule we have to remember is it is always followed by the noun. What is the rule? It is always followed by the noun. Let's have a look at the example. Where is our cycle? We can't find it. What is your name? He forgot to mention his father's name. New Delhi is located in northern part of India. It's capital of India. This is the picture of my grandmother. She is the most beautiful lady ever. Now can you see in example number 1, it is followed by the noun and it is a cycle. Here in example number 2, it's very specific. The name is already mentioned and the name, place, animal, things are noun. In the third sentence, father's name. Again, it is the sign of a noun. New Delhi, in this, it's capital of India. Here, India is a noun. She is the most beautiful lady. Here, lady is a noun. No matter proper noun or common noun, but possessive adjective determiner pronoun should be followed by the noun. Possessive pronouns. The rule of using the possessive pronouns are they are used independently without noun. Rule number 2, using its is not preferred here in possessive pronoun. Let's have a look at example. The book he is reading is mine. After mine, we do not see any noun. We are using this cycle since long. This is ours. After ours, we do not see any noun. This is not my fault, it's his. After his also, we do not see any noun. That dog is theirs. After theirs also, we do not see any noun. This shows even without noun, the sentences are very clearly understood. So let's have a look at the rules one more time. Possessive adjective possessive determiners needs noun, whereas possessive pronouns do not need noun. Using its is not preferred in possessive pronouns. I hope with the examples you can see clearly. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun does not refer to any specific person or thing. Let's repeat one more time. Indefinite pronoun does not refer to a specific person or thing. They are used in general statements or when a specific noun is not known. Indefinite nouns are in three forms: singular, plural, and there are some indefinite pronouns can be used either in singular or plural both. Let's have a look at singular indefinite pronoun. Anybody, anyone, everybody, somebody, neither, someone, something, etc. The plural forms are both, few, many, several, etc. Both the forms are all, any, most, none, and some. These can be used as indefinite pronoun in both the ways, that is, singular as well as plural. In the next slide, we will have a look at the examples of indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun and examples. Number 1. I kept the pile of books on the table, but somebody or someone moved it. Here the speaker does not know the name of a person, that is noun, who has moved his or her book. Therefore, the speaker has used indefinite pronoun in the place of noun. Number 2. Is there anyone in the class who can volunteer for the class cleaning? Here, the speaker is looking for somebody or someone who can help him or her in the cleaning of the class. Here, the noun or the name of the student or a person is not specified. Number 3. I have bought something for you. Here, the noun of thing is not specified. Therefore, the speaker has said something. Number 4. Both of you come to see me in my cabin. Here, the speaker is talking about two people. Therefore, he has used both for plural indefinite pronoun. Number 5. There are just a few things left to be done before the party begins. Few, indefinite number. Therefore, the speaker has not specified how many, 1, 2, 3. Instead, the speaker said a few. Indefinite pronoun. I hope with the examples, indefinite pronouns are clear. Demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific by the speaker. These pronouns can indicate specific thing or time, and they can be either singular or plural. Let's have a look at singular demonstrative pronoun. This and that are singular demonstrative pronouns. Look at the picture 1. This indicates a book or an object which is near to the boy. That indicates a book or object that is far from the boy. Let's repeat. This indicates a book or object near to the boy. That indicates a book or object far from the boy. This and that are singular demonstrative pronouns. Now let's have a look at plural demonstrative pronouns. These indicates books or object near to the boy. Those indicate books or object far from the boy. Let's repeat. These indicates books or object near to the boy. Those indicates books or object far from the boy. These are demonstrative pronouns. This and that are singular. These and those are plural. Reflexive pronoun. The reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are same. If you do not know the subject and the object of the sentence, in the previous video I have already taken the session. I have shared the link below. Please have a look at the video to get more understanding of subject, predicate as well as object. Now let's begin with the example. I was getting too late, therefore I packed the lunch myself. Here I is the subject and myself is the object. Both are same. I is the first person singular, whereas myself is the first person singular of reflexive pronoun. He himself told me the truth. Here he is the third person and himself is the third person of reflexive pronoun. Are you going to sing yourself? Here you is the second person plural and yourself is the second person plural of reflexive pronoun. They told me that they themselves planted all the trees. They is the third person plural and themselves is the third person plural of reflexive pronoun. So we can see that the subject and the object in the reflexive pronoun are the same. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are those pronouns which are used to ask questions. Interrogative pronouns takes the place of the subject in the sentence. Who, whose, whom, which, and what are the 5 basic interrogative pronouns. Who is the owner of the shop? Here who is the subject. Whose book is this? Which of the following is the correct answer? Do you know when we use which? We use which when we give limited options. What is the capital of India? Whom you are talking to? Here do you know whom is an object because whom is the receiver of the action. So these are the 5 interrogative pronouns in English. Now it's time to have a quick quiz. Number 1. How many types of pronoun we have learned in this video? We have learned 6 types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, Indefinite pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronoun. Number 2. A subject pronoun should be always followed by a subject pronoun should be always followed by a verb. Number 3. Anyone, everyone, few are which type of pronoun? They are indefinite type of pronoun. These and those are which type of pronoun? They are demonstrative pronoun. When do you use which as an interrogative pronoun? When we give limited choice, we use which as an interrogative pronoun. These are the answers of the quiz questions. You can have a look at the quiz again and learn the answers. Hello friends, my name is Dhara Unarkat, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Prepare yourself. Thank you and have a blessed day.